Maserati Granturismo versus Corvette. See full comparison. Most people get this wrong by comparing only price or looks. The surprising truth is that the Maserati Granturismo and Corvette excel in different areas, making the choice about your driving priorities. The Maserati Granturismo is all about luxury and style. Its naturally aspirated delivers a smooth, melodic engine note, producing around 454 horsepower. Inside, you find handcrafted leather, premium materials, and an elegant cabin that makes every drive feel exclusive. Handling is refined, perfect for cruising on open roads, but its weight makes it less nimble on tight corners. You won't believe how comfortable long drives become in this grand touring machine. The Corvette C, on the other hand, focuses on raw performance. Its 6 of produces up to 460 horsepower with sharper acceleration and more responsive handling. Lightweight construction and a low center of gravity make it track-ready, perfect for cornering and aggressive driving. Inside, the cabin is sporty, with a driver-focused layout and modern tech, though it lacks the Maserati's opulent feel. In terms of price, the Corvette is generally more affordable, offering performance close to supercars without the Maserati's maintenance costs. The Maserati, however, provide the unique blend of Italian craftsmanship and presence that command attention wherever it goes. In conclusion, choose the Maserati Granturismo if luxury, comfort, and style are your priorities. Opt for the Corvette C if you want pure performance, agility, and a more aggressive driving experience. Both cars are incredible, but understanding your needs ensures the best choice.